Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the keyword research for free. Yes, you heard right, free. So without any tools at all, just pure Google. But if you are a beginner, if you're like a total beginner, and if you can spend like $13 for a 1 month, I strongly suggest you to buy KeySearch, which is so inexpensive, and you can use 200 searches for every day. There's a link and there's a coupon code in the description as well. The thing is, if you have the KeySearch, that makes the things more easier, right? So that's why I said go and get keyword research. But if you have no money at all, this is the video you should watch to do the keyword research for free. Okay, so now I'm on Google. I have used mountain biking tips for intermediate, and here I have installed Mossbar, which is free. You just need to create an account and then you can install this free. And it doesn't work on Firefox if I remember right. Yeah. So if you want to know how to do the keyword research for blog for free, watch till to the end. You are not gonna waste any time on this video. Everything is so important. Mountain biking tips for intermediate. We don't see exact searches and how many people are searching this exact keyword, right? If you want to have an idea, you can actually use Google Keyword Planner, or you can use Keywords Everywhere tool, right? Keywords Everywhere tool, now you have to pay a little bit, but it doesn't cost much, right? But Keywords Planner, you have to have an account which linked with your credit card, right? And then you can see some data. But I'll give you a big tip. If Google suggests this keyword, that means people are searching this keyword, right? So this is why Google tells you, okay, check these keywords, Okay, so mountain biking tips for intermediate. Okay, we are using, so when we use Mossbar, it's not, okay, let me tell you like clearly. Okay, so we have page authority and domain authority, right? So my technique is, I actually use, if I see at least 2 websites coming under 20 domain authority, right? So this one is 21, and this one is 31, right? So it's not the thing I would like to say. So other thing is, when the search is weak, right, you will see some more signs, right? So the main sign is you will see some user generated content ranking here as well. So user generated content, so they are like forums, right? So big example, Quora or Reddit, right? Maybe Yahoo Answers or something like this. So these are people are searching, people are actually submitting these questions when they would like to know something, and then other people answer those questions, right? So, and these pages ranking on Google. Okay, so when you want to do the keyword research for your blog for free, these are the main things. So domain authority, I would like to see 20, like 2 or 3 websites under 20. Another thing is, I would like to see also some user generated content ranking on the search. That's a really a good sign. Okay, so another tip I will give you guys, don't go crazy with big search, really competitive search terms, right? So maybe I will type something, mountain bikes, good for, I don't know what does that mean, good for the road. Okay, Okay, so here you can see, right, this is a forum, right? If I click this one, so you can see someone asked these questions, right? So this question actually, so are mountain bikes good for urban riding? 2 months ago, oh no, sorry, this is a user, I think, asked 2 years ago, 3 months, right? Blah blah blah. And then there are so much content, right? Stack Exchange, right? Let's see what are the other ones. I can see Quora as well. Quora. I will give you a big tip, guys. Okay, go with question types, keywords at the beginning because they are easy to rank and people are actually searching those answers, and then people stay on the website more, which triggers the algorithm. Is it bad to ride a mountain bike on the road? 4. Domain authority 4. Can you ride mountain bike on the road? Domain authority 13. Can you ride mountain bikes on the road? Difference domain authority 8. So this is what I said. I am pretty sure if I type this, so you don't have to do this, but I would like to show you. So now I am using this keyword. You can see it's only 24, right? There are 4 websites coming under 20. So I actually forgot something. You need to, guys, actually, when you're trying to rank these keywords, when you target English keywords, so you need to target USA, right? That's a normally global market, okay? But when you rank on USA, most of the time your website's gonna rank on Canada and New Zealand and Australia and yeah, something like this, unless something not local. You need to have a proxy. Maybe you are making a website in Spanish, right? Then you need to use a proxy and select Spain, and then go to the Google Spain version and do the search and Spain. So Spanish, sorry. So everything is like that. So let me check another keyword. Okay, mountain mountain bikes, and yeah, 3000. See, there are so many options, right? I mean, mountain bikes under 3000, best mountain bikes under 3000 pounds, best mountain bikes under 3000 Australia. So there are so many options. Best hardtail mountain bikes under 3000. Hardtail means there is only one shock in the front and there is no back shock, right? Okay, let's check this one. Best hardtail mountain bike under 3000. There is a snippet. 72, 52, 67, 62, 64. Okay. Okay. And also, other thing is you need to check the title, right? You need to know, okay, this title, this web page has targeted this keyword, or this web page just ranking for this keyword because of its authority, because of the website has bigger domain authority and page authority, right? Sometimes it happens, so don't be afraid to go into those keywords when you are in a one niche. So let's say if I have a website about only hardtail mountain bikes, right, and you have you have no other any mountain bikes targeting for full suspension and nothing. You talk about only hardtail mountain bikes, right? So if you make a website about hardtail mountain bikes, and if you write an article best hardtail mountain bikes under $3,000, you have more chances to rank that keyword, because other people are talking many things, right, about a lot of things about the mountain bikes, but you talk about only hardtail. So that means you have EAT, right, most of the time. So expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, right? So these three. So this is a big tip right there. So this is why people make a lot of money with their blogs, because they talk about one subject, right? And this relevancy is a big key in ranking. So I will make another video about topical relevancy, which is really nice rule, not a rule, nice, what it called, nice thing. We call this nice thing for small websites, because it doesn't matter whether you have a small website, but if your website talk about only one thing, then you have more topical relevance, right? And then you can rank your websites with other big websites. So I can do all day. Let's say, okay, this is interesting one. Best full suspension mountain bike under 3000 2020. Okay, my advice, don't go for 2020 or 2021. You need to have evergreen. So you need to target evergreen content. That means there is no any year, right? So if you make a article about this topic for 2020, guess what happened? Next year your traffic will go down a little bit, and 2022 down more. Maybe in 5 years your article gets less traffic because you have targeted this 2020. So go general. So best, so let's say best mountain, okay, this one, 67. Yeah, these are buyer keywords, that's why everyone is trying. Okay, 26, 70. Okay, let's check. Don't like this with years, to be honest. 2000, 2500. Okay, so now you can see Reddit is coming here, right? Okay, now it makes sense, right? So this website is domain authority 12. That's a good sign, this website's coming because of its relevance. Doesn't matter whether you have less domain authority, but your website ranks when your website have more content about something specific. So you can see, okay, let's check the content. More than 2000 for sure. Yeah, 3065 words, right? Yeah. So that's it, and this is how you can do the keyword research for free. It's not difficult, right? But if you are a beginner, I strongly suggest you to get this keyword tool. It is in the description, and there is a 20% discount as well. because you can see when you put the keyword here, and it's so easy to see everything right here. Other thing is, when we use keyword research for free with Google, when you go crazy with this keyword research, I mean, it takes some time, right? Then Google thinks, oh, maybe this is a machine. Oh, we should give captcha, right? And then they are trying to check whether you are a human, then it happens, right? But when you use a tool like key search, you can just select your location and then put the keyword, and everything is in front of you, and it's much more clear. You have more idea. You have a good visual about everything, right? There are many keywords from right side. So if you have like $13, go with this tool. That's my biggest recommendation. I use this tool as well. I love this tool. Yeah, so this is how you can do how to do keyword research for blog free without spending any money. Now you know how to do the keyword research for free. So if you learn something, I appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up, which is also free, right? And if you like to learn about internet marketing, if you like to earn money online, you can hit subscribe button, and I make video every third day, which is pure 100% value. So if you have a question, please put a comment as well. I will reply for all the question, which is a promise, right? Anyway, so yeah, so see you in the next video.